Let's review the WiT e-reading desk lamp by BenQ.
TipTut.
The WiT e-reading desk lamp is primarily used for drawing, sketching and working at a desk. It has a unique 90cm curved design, which helps to eliminate glare, and an adjustable brightness/temperature dial, which ranges up to 1800 lux and 2700 to 5700 Kelvin respectively. It also has an auto-adjust function that tailors the perfect light for your environment. But what does all this mean functionally? Well, I've been using the lamp for about 2 months now, primarily as a sketching lamp whilst I'm working at my desk, and it does function fairly well. I'm pleased to say it does live up to the lofty standards it puts itself forward for. Its light easily covers my entire 130cm desk, mostly due to the adjustable stand that allows for a great amount of flexibility when positioning, and the light it offers is smooth and strain-free thanks to the dual IEC LED bulbs and built-in flicker-free IC driver and diffuser. The ball joint for adjusting the light is pretty handy too, making for perfect positioning. Clearly, plenty of time and effort has been put into the design of this lamp, so much so that it boasts a solid build of eco-friendly aluminium and zinc alloys, so the lamp is both sturdy and light. Even so, there are a few things I wish it did differently. Adjusting the top section of the lamp is difficult and stiff, sometimes shifting the heavy base of the lamp instead of moving the ball joint. I thought this would loosen up with time, but after 2 months, it's the same. Secondly, if this is a lamp that's intended for use, or at least one of its intended uses is at the desk, it seems crazy to me that the attachment to the weighted base doesn't include a clamp with standard thread option. I hate having objects on my desktop, the space is required for many other things, and I had to awkwardly hide the weighted base underneath a drawer section of my desk and shift my whole desk forward just to put the base of the lamp out of sight. The lamp attached to the base using a socket. If it were a standard clamp thread, I've got dozens of options in my drawer that I could use to clamp this to my desk without impacting the desk space. Based on the imagery from their website, a unique clamp exists, but why isn't this included? Why do I have to pay 30 quid extra, including delivery, to clamp a desk lamp to my desk? It baffles me. Finally, the colour. I do love the bold colour choices they made when going for the colour palette of this lamp series, but I would have preferred a black or sort of metallic grey one just to suit the rest of my setup and decor in my room. That is just a personal gripe though. Overall, I'm very happy with the WiT e-reading desk lamp. It does exactly what it says on the tin, and if you can justify the £150 price tag, then I doubt you'll have any regrets. Thank you very much for watching everybody, and I'll see you all next time on another episode of TipTut.
Remember to subscribe for more tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thanks for watching.